How to reach Kingdom 19 in Dice Streams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach Kingdom 19 in Dice Streams. Progressing to Kingdom 19 involves strategic upgrading and resource management. First is to focus on farming coins and resources efficiently through daily missions and dice rolls. These resources allow you to upgrade your castle buildings, which is key to unlocking new kingdoms. Upgrading buildings not only increases your production, but also often reduces cooldown times and grants bonuses that help speed up further progression. Participate in time-limited challenges and events which reward kingdom progression items or large resource bundles, having you leveling up faster. Joining an active team is helpful as well because team bonuses increase resource gains and you can share tips and trade materials. Now avoid rushing upgrades without enough resources, which can cause bottlenecks and slow your progress. Carefully plan your resource allocation, prioritizing upgrades that unlock the next kingdom quickly and improve resource production. By consistently farming, upgrading, participating in events, and collaborating with your team, you can steadily advance to Kingdom 19. And that's how you reach Kingdom 19 in Dice Streams.